Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano chords for Hey Jude by the Beatles. So we're only going to be looking at 4 different sections which all sort of repeat and then enable you to play the entire song all the way through. So I've listed in the description the full chord song lyric structure. So the key of this song is in F major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F major. The melody and the chords are mostly formed using these notes. The song goes straight into the verse. So the verses, which there are 4 of them, are all played in the same way. So the first chord we'll need is an F major. So I'm basing this around middle C, which is this pitch on my piano. So we're playing inversion of F major, which is A, C, and F. You're going to play that 4 times. And then we're going to come up to C major, root position, which is C, E, G. You're going to play that 4 times. And then we have a C7. So all you're going to do is add that B flat here in with the rest of that chord. And then back to F major for 4 beats. Next we're going to B flat major, which is B flat, D and F for 4 beats. Back to F major. C major again. And then F major. Hey Jude. So I'm just going to run through that verse again. So the left hand is just following the root notes of all of those chords. So we have F, C, C, F, B flat, F, C, F. So obviously here I'm playing in octaves, but you don't have to play in octaves if you don't want to make it a bit more straightforward, or if you can't stretch an octave, just play single notes instead. So I'm going to put that verse together for you now, and I'm actually going to play through for you the first 2 verses because they run on from one another. And there's a slight little change at the end of verse 2, which I'll go over when I get to it. Hey Jude. When it leads into the chorus, you're going to go. So all you're doing is changing the top notes from the F, E, E flat, and then that's into the chorus. So now let's look at the rest of the chorus. So we know it sort of starts with that, which is called an F7. So there it's going from F major 7 to F7. It's next going to play B flat for 2 beats, major. And then again for another 2 beats. And then we have G minor, which is G, B flat and D for 2 beats. And then we have G minor 7, so all you're going to do is add the F to that. Or, to make that easier, because you'll be playing the G in the left hand anyway, down here, you could just play those 3 notes again. So effectively another B flat major chord. After that we have C major, 4 times, and then back to the F major, and then we have that run down again, and that leads into the chorus the second time round. So we've just gone 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then it repeats. And then it'll be into the interlude bit, so the na 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 na. So the left hand of the chorus, obviously you've just been playing the Fs from the F chord, and then it's going to go to B flats, and then down to A's, and then G's, up to E, C, F. Then obviously all of that repeats again. So I'm going to play that chorus all the way through then. So the interlude bit, so it's all chords we've already done. So after you've played the F major from the last chord of the chorus, so you've just gone so 3 times, and then you're going to play C, D, E flat, and then come down to C in the left hand, and then we have C and E, C and F, G, and then the right hand will just go C major, F major, which is C, F and A, and then the C7 twice. So I'll just play that bit again. From the F major, from the last chord of the chorus. And then it it'll be into the third verse again. Hey Jude. Into the chorus. And then into the fourth verse, which I'm not going to play again. So after the fourth verse, it's then into the outro. So the na 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 na, hey Jude, that bit. And obviously that repeats a million times until it fades out. So this is the last section that we're going to look at. What we could do, we could play that melody line, so the na 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 bits, in the right hand. So that bit is going F, A, C, G, F, G, F, G, F, G, F, D, C. Again. Hey Jude. So the left hand then, you could play the chords in your left hand. So we have F major. I'm going to play it in fifths with the octave on top. And kind of rocking back and forth like that. So then the next chord is E flat major, but we're just playing in fifths. So it's E flat and B flat. And you could add the E flat up there if you wanted to play in octaves. Then we have B flat major, or B5, so B flat, F, B flat, and then back to the F, which is F, A, no it's not, it's F, C, F. Can't talk and play at the same time. I'm going to play that for you now. So that concludes your tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that it's been useful. Please give the video a big thumbs up if it has. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing to Bitesize Piano. And go check out my channel for many, many more piano tutorials on all sorts of songs and music. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials, so please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video, which could be your request. So if you would like to leave a request, go see the comments section of this video where I have left a link for you to follow, and you can post and submit your request there. So all requests are noted and considered. Thank you for everyone who supports me on Patreon and in other avenues as well. It doesn't go unmissed, and it is seriously appreciated, and it's what really helps me to make lots of more piano tutorials for you to help you grow as a pianist and musician. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!